Hello and welcome to my channel, Bricks Animation. Today I'm going to show you how I designed this plug adapter from scratch. Let's break it down. First of all, I needed the real dimensions of the actual product. The one I used is a little damaged, but it still works. The first thing I started with was the screw. I got the screw model from the GrabCAD site. Shout out to the original creator, Coleman Downey. I downloaded the file, grabbed the design, and resized it to fit the specific size I needed for my plug adapter. The shaft. The second thing I designed for the black adapter is what I call the shaft. This connects to the top of the adapter and plugs into the power source. I haven't assigned a material like metal to it yet, I just modeled the part and colored it. I also made a second screw from scratch to hold the shaft through the adapter head. I used a Revolve feature for the thread section. The body and extrusions. Now we get into the hard part. The top of the black adapter, I used an extruded boss here and is 42 millimeters wide. I extruded the base to create the shape. You'll notice this part is longer than normal. I did this so it fits perfectly into the connecting part. I also designed cylinders with threads to fit the Phillips head screw I showed you earlier. Using an extruded cut, I created a 1 millimeter offset area where the middle connectors sit. This part is supposed to light up when electricity flows through it. I used a lot of cuts and threads to get this shape exactly right. I built this primarily from the top plane. Assembly details. As we go into the sketch, you can see the longer part fits right here and the shorter part fits there. I designed these two areas to expose the plug with two pins which connect in the assembly section. If we hide the first part, you can see what's happening inside. The screws were a little out of range, but that's an easy fix. I adjusted the diameter to 2.375 so it fits perfectly. I also realized the head of the screw was too big, so I made it shorter. Conclusion. The metal shaft conducts electricity from the circuit, touching the screw and traveling all the way through the metal connectors. While I didn't design the internal metal sheets today, just the covers and mechanical parts, you can see in the animation that everything connects perfectly. Here is the final design. I hope you liked it and enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more. Thank you and goodbye.